Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to learn our 6th standard history second lesson, sources of history. In this lesson we have to learn about that material sources, written sources, oral sources, sources of ancient Indian history and precaution to be taken while writing history. Our ancestor used number of objects, now they are exist. Means that time objects, now also we are seen. In various museums we have to see different objects like war weapons, ornaments, paintings, different kinds of pots, etc. Some inscriptions from the past have recovered like cave inscription, copper plate inscription, stone inscription, and it have been found today. And different kinds of sources helps us to understand our history. We can learn history through custom, चालीरीती, tradition, parampara, folk arts, bharud and ovi, folk literatures. In these that different kinds of stories include, as well as some kinds of historical documents. These are the different things from which we understand history clearly, and these different objects are called sources of history. That our custom, tradition, folk arts, folk literature and different kinds of historical documents gives us some important and valuable information about our history, and due to these things we can understand history clearly. The sources of history are mainly of three types: material sources, written sources and oral sources. Structure means different kinds of objects like forts, rock cut caves म्हणजेच लेणी, स्तूप are known as material sources of history. And like these objects, different other objects also include in material sources. Now let us see the material sources. Every day man use different things in day-to-day life. Our ancestors also use different things, and that things are called artifacts म्हणजेच पुरातन वस्तू. And due to these artifacts we get valuable information, means we get important information about our ancient lifetime. When we do study about the ancient artifacts like the earthen pots, by studying its different shapes, different colors and different kinds of designs on that ancient potsherds, then we can decide this pot was used in which period. And also from the different ornaments and other artifacts, that is different ancient objects, throw light on social interaction. Throw light means gives more information about that such a period. Interaction means what? Exchange information. So we get information about people's diet from remains of food grains, seeds, bones of animals which is found in excavations. Excavation means what? To dig out the ground with the help of machines where the historical events happen. And we also find the remains of houses and buildings built in different historical periods in such a excavation. For example, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro. All these and like that also find that ancient coins and seals. Seals means royal seals, Rajmudra. All these gives us information about human activities in the past. All such artifacts, articles, monuments in these building, different kinds of historical buildings include, or their ruins. Ruins म्हणजे त्यांचे अवशेष are called the material sources of history. Do you know food grains do not last long? They get easily infested and turn into powder. Infested means spoil and it turn into powder. In generally in our house also we can see like that, when we store that food grains for long ago, then it gets infested and slowly it turns into powder. In ancient times people used to roast food grains before grinding them, because in ancient time they know about that fire and they know how to use that fire. That's why that food grains are first they roast and after that they grind them. If a few grains not charred while roasting, charred means what? जास्त भाजले जाणे म्हणजे जास्त जास्त लाल बुंद होणे रोस्ट करताना. They were thrown away and like the charred food grains they are not used in that grinding. They are thrown away. They were thrown away that grains. Such charred grains can remain intact for a very long period. During excavation, such charred grains can be recovered. When these are inspected in a laboratory, we come to know what grain it is.